Hey everyone, I'm Corrin, and today I'm going to be trying out ECZEMA Honey's Soothing Facial Cream. I'm really excited for this product because I'm always looking for moisturizers to help with my dry skin. I was born with eczema, so I am always dealing with rough, itchy patches of skin. And this product, the Soothing Facial Cream, has a lot of good ingredients such as blueberry, kelp, and rosehip, and colloidal oatmeal, which is going to be really good for help soothing the itchiness. So we can see the product here. It's a cute little 2-ounce jar. So I just washed my face, and so I have a clean face, no makeup on, and I'm about to put on ECZEMA Honey's Soothing Facial Cream. So this is before. Here we go. Ooh, it feels so soothing and nice already on my skin. So I'm just gonna rub it around kind of in the palm of my hand a bit and on my fingers before I start to apply it on my face. It feels really soothing. It just feels like the moisture is getting locked in. And kind of rub it in kind of a circular motion and all around little crevices of the face. So I just applied ECZEMA Honey's Soothing Facial Cream. So this is after, and I feel like my face looks a little bit more moisturized and less dry. So yeah, and overall it feels really good and hydrated. It feels really good. It feels like moisturized. So I can definitely, I would definitely keep using this. Probably after I clean my face, put this on, let it sit a bit. Either go out and with the rest of my day if I don't want to wear makeup, or maybe let this sit a little bit and then put some makeup on. But it really does a good job. I can tell already with it being moisturized, and yes, I love the way it makes it feel. Really nice, and it's actually already kind of rubbed in. It didn't feel greasy. It felt like just really moisturizing. Like my skin's like, thank you. So that is the Soothing Facial Cream from ECZEMA Honey.